Hi guys, I had people asking how the front of the house plants are doing. The azaleas are doing fantastic, and I love my cow here. And I got one here and one here, and everything is looking really good. Now, I got asked also how my flowers around my mailbox, how they're doing. So I'm gonna walk out here and show you guys. That is what everything is looking like. There, I got flowers coming up. The purple ones came back. All these here came back. Everything looks good. Now I'll show you guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, I'm gonna pause and come back and show you guys the backyard. All right, guys. Here is all my peppers. These are a lot of peppers that I got from Jimmy Peppers. And here, and you guys can see, I've got buds and everything coming out everywhere. They're a little yellow because I got to put some fertilizer on them. And I'm gonna come over here. I got to come out here and deadhead a lot of my roses. Tomatoes. Okay. I gotta come and cut some leaves off, but we got tomatoes out here everywhere. You guys see how big they've gotten. And the peach tree, I'll come back and show y'all something. And the apple tree. Max has eat on my apple tree, y'all. But here is all my tomatoes. And then I have a row of squash. Hope you guys can see it. And then I have my row of lettuce here. I need to till, but I'm gonna have my son do it. And I'm gonna show you guys my elephant ears. When I dug up one here, I got for my father-in-law. It looking really good. And guess what, guys? My banana trees are coming back. It put off little bud things, and if you'll notice, here's one, and here's one. So I got 3 here, which I'm gonna love. I've been working on my greenhouse. I got most of it put back together, new parts put on, but I got a problem with that greenhouse. The front, I can't get the front to work. But Max, out. Thank you. All right. Come around. All right, broccoli. My loofah, you guys see it's way up the fence here. A tomato. I got some seed in here. There's my other loofah. I got some flower seeds that are coming up. So hey, and all that. I have not messed with that. That mint is everywhere. Okay. Let me come over here and show y'all this. That is the caveman. This is the yard longs. These are the purple ones. I hadn't tried them before. And then we got our radishes. We've got kale. Now I'm going to show you guys something. The yarrow didn't come up, the St. John's wort, and the chamomile. Well, yeah, the chamomile. And here is the okra. Now, this plant that I told you guys, this is the mustard seed, okay? This has got mustard seed in it, guys. Now, the greens, I got a sunflower there, turnip greens, this right here is squash, and then I got beets, and then I got onions, sunflowers and greens, and all my cabbage. My cabbage is looking really good. Hi girls, y'all want to say hi? Y'all want to say hi? Y'all liking the trees, aren't you? I don't blame you. Get them bugs. Alright. I have a volunteer sunflower that came up right here. And I'm gonna go over here and show you all that. 1 second. Alright guys, here's all of my regular basil, and it's doing really good. You're gonna hear the AC unit, so hang on. Alright, all the flowers, they're coming up, looking really good. Now, here is more of my very hot peppers, okay, from Jimmy Peppers. You guys see, I have got blooms everywhere, and they're coming. And flowers. Now look, I'm gonna show you guys. This is a sunflower, okay? I let it go, and this bad boy is just going crazy. Now, I gotta get out here and get my son to weed eat. The strawberries are doing really good. Oh, I'm supposed to have my rose open. Oh Lord, yes. The marigolds, the flowers, more peppers. Look at the cucumbers, y'all. Them cucumbers are really taking off. Now, let me show you the other banana tree. I'm going to take it, and I'm thinking about putting it over here by the house and move that, because I want it next to the house here. It'll kind of help with the wind. Oh, and we got another sunflower and some more sunflowers that are coming up, and I have some corn. Yes, corn from the chicken's corn is coming up, so I'm gonna leave it, and then I'll give it to the chickens. All right, hold on, I'll show you something else. All right, it's having a heat stroke. Tomato, lemon basil. I just went ahead and let it go to seed because the bees like it. And the bean tree stalk is what I'm calling it. The bean stalk. You guys know I put this Dollar Tree thing on top to kind of keep Max from getting. This is spinach, and these are peas, and you guys see. Now let me show you here. We've got tomatoes. Let me show you guys something. Look in here. Do y'all see those tomatoes? I mean, this thing is loaded. loaded. And the wisteria is going crazy. I am fixing to braid the thing where I can kind of put it on the fence here, a little bit lower, and see how it works. I may have worked it this way, and see where it goes. We were going to plant a rose bush over there, but the ground was so hard. This here is coming back, and the old growth, I'm probably going to cut that off. Now, the greenhouse. Let me show you guys. Okay. We put a new panel here, and we siliconed it in real good. The greenhouse, you know, we siliconed this one, and we got another window, put it in, and the back part was the only thing we had to go back, put more tape, redo. And the front here, the front square part is gone. Okay. The door, we got another door, and I put the wood door there. This door here will not fit on here, and let me show you. We kind of fixed some stuff up, trying to fix this greenhouse to hold a lot of stuff. The greenhouse was picked up, guys, and it was moved over there. Okay. God, my camera hot. Okay, here we go. This panel here we got from a friend, and we tried to put this back in, but I'm gonna show you. We got it in, and Max hit it, and it broke. Okay, it broke. So we're thinking about just putting plastic over it and see if that works. And I got my mom some tomato plants here. I'm gonna give her, and more peppers in here that I gotta get out. But we are going to get another greenhouse, and just use this as to store a lot of stuff in, like the soils, the pots, and things like that. We're gonna put a shade cloth over the top of that, and we're gonna strap it, that one, and we're gonna put that greenhouse over here in the raised bed area over by the shop. And we're having another greenhouse put here, either there, or we may have it put here. We're not sure yet. We're still trying to think. And then again, my husband told me put it in the raised bed area, and maybe we could kind of build this up and put a platform and secure the greenhouse to it. So we may do that. I will not be planting in this garden area here next year. I'm gonna bring the chickens over and let the chickens do their job. This soil over here is really hard, and it dries out really quick. I don't know if that was because using that landscape fabric and then this year not using it. We're not really sure, but this is an update on everything before we go to my mom's. And my apple tree, you guys, look, I love my apple tree. I'm hoping and praying Max don't attack it anymore, but I just wanted to show you guys all the peppers and the update on everything, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, I have a few flowers here, some Roman tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes. These do not look good at all. And then I have the tomatillo, whatever you want to call them. And then I have some more Johnny Peppers, Jimmy Peppers, sorry, peppers. And then my houseplant, y'all, it has just went literally crazy since I put it here where it can get a little bit of sunshine but not too much.